Good morning, students. Today I am here to guide you how to be prepared for the PhD Merit Cum Entrance Test 2020, which is going to be organized in next week. So, first I will congratulate to entire team in Saurashtra University for the innovative approach to be adopted this year in PhD Merit Cum Entrance Test. That is, student can give this examination from their own places through the computer online. So here I will give the guidance for the statistics subjects for the students of statistics. So examination there will be 100 MCQs, out of which 50 MCQs of the research methodology and 50 MCQs of the statistics subject. MCQ means multiple choice question, as we all are aware. Each question will contain 4 options. For example, I give what will be maximum value of probability. So there may be 4 options. Suppose A 0, B 1, C less than 1, D less than or equal to 1. So here we should understand the question. It is asked the maximum value of probability. They have not asked the range. The answer should be very perfect and precise. Maximum value of probability. So options are very nearer to each other. So there are 2 phases in each MCQs. First, understand the question properly, then choose the option properly. So here probability 0 is the minimum value. Second option 1 is the maximum value. So option C, less than 1 is the wrong answer. Fourth, less than or equal to 1, it is also wrong answer. So all the answers seems that all are we can select we may confuse sometimes. So it is very necessary to understand the question first, then we should choose the answer. So I talk about the statistics subjects. So if you see the syllabus of this merit cum entrance test, in this syllabus all the papers are included: mathematical statistics, statistical inference, data science, probability theory, distribution theory, design of experiments, stochastic process, sampling theory, SAS programming, survival analysis, industrial statistics. Like this, total 15 subjects are included. And MCQ, 50 marks of MCQ will be from these subjects. So we should be prepared for this examination. And from our side, we have adopted the student-centric approach for the benefit of the student to be prepared for this. If you visit the departmental website of Department of Statistics, Saurashtra University, we have uploaded all the e-contents, e-materials, e-books, video lectures of experts from eminent institutes and premium institutes. So you can study all this. About this, if you need some guidance, then we are ready to give the guidance for the students. So, and further, we have the departmental library that can be also accessed from our website. You can also visit the department at any time. We are for you. Department is open for the students every time. So we can help this way to prepare for the entrance examination and after examination also. So first, students should find out in which area, because we have 2 types of students. Some students are freshers; they have cleared this only this just MSc and this master degree examination, and some students have cleared the MPhil, and some students are working already in the field or in the academics somewhere also. So to become research scholar, first we should find out the research problem. But to find the research problem, we should have the research area, in which area we are working, in which area of the statistics we are interested. What is our area? So first we should find out our area. Once we find out our area, then we can find the research problem. But that is not enough. If we find out research problem, then we should find out the research gap that we are thinking. Do you want to do research in this topic? Then first we should find out research gap, means what research up to today already done. From where we can get this information? So we can access the journals. There are some online journals, some print mode journals. We should study these journals, various research papers are published in the journals. So we can find out research gap in our research area and our research problems. So we have also large number of journals available in our departmental library. And we can also help if you have research problem, if you have some initial knowledge, some basic knowledge. So this is for the students who have already experience. But before that, first our step is to crack the PhD merit cum entrance test. So my dear students, so MCQ is not the easy job. It looks easy job, but actually it is very toughest job. Because if you find the MCQ, if you want to make your true answer, if you want to choose true answer, you should have the very basic knowledge of the subjects. If you do not have your base is not clear, then it is very difficult to find out right answer. So you all are aware about this. So again I appeal and I offer to any students. So you can use our departmental resources, our e-content, our e-books, our video lectures that is available in our websites, our e-library, and we are ready to, all staffs of Department of Statistics is ready to help you at any time. You all are welcome always. Thank you very much.